How to create an in-depth vision board using the Day One Journal app. First, let's head to Settings, then Journals. We're going to create a separate journal. I'm going to title it Vision Board, but you can call it Goals, My Best Life, whatever you want. Here you can also add a description and choose a journal color. Now the fun begins. Time to fill up your vision board. Gather up all the media that speaks to your soul and motivates you to crush your goals. Make sure to download and save the images to your camera roll. Next up, create a new entry in Day One by tapping the plus icon. Click Photos, and boom, you can add multiple photos to an entry or one at a time. After adding, it'll look something like this, but hold up, we're not stopping there. Day One also allows videos, so save your favorite inspo TikToks to your camera roll, then add to Day One just like we did with the images. With videos added, it'll look like this, and they autoplay in the app, which I love. We can also add website links to help us gain traction on our new goals. And for all you YouTube addicts, you can even embed videos straight into your board. Okay, let's get extra. Record up to 3 minutes of audio so you can hear your own voice speaking your dreams into existence. Or upload a clip from a podcast or song that inspires you. And view your future trips on a map by adding a location to the entries. Now we're going to take it up a notch with templates. In Settings, we're going to Templates to create questions that will help us get clear on what matters most. To add a question, simply click Add Section. Here's a shot of the questions. Tap to pause if you want to write them down. If these don't resonate with you, that's okay. Choose questions that make sense to you. You can also add a checkbox for when you've achieved your goal. Add it to your entries by tapping the paperclip icon and selecting the template. And that's it, your very own vision board accessible at all times through a timeline view, media view, map view, and a calendar view. Time to manifest those dreams. Leave a comment if you need additional support.